Hi, welcome back to my channel, Miss Damn Jewelry. I'm Dolores, and today it's a quick haul, y'all. Real quick. Well, maybe not that quick. Quickish. So, one Sunday, Jessica and I went to a tabletop sale. There's a different one. Went to the one in Sherland, which is a little bitty village on the way to Alfreton, where I work. But we went on a Sunday morning. We got there right when they opened, child. We did. So, and we didn't, not that we didn't have high hopes, but we were like, let's see what we find. Well, I found a couple of things. We walked in, there's this first stall there, first guy, first table, and we're looking. They had a lot of slides and slide holders, and Jessica, Thrifty Shutterbug, is really into that. Not into that, but she likes that kind of thing because she's a professional photographer, and she likes anything to do with photography and film and cameras and all the things. So as we walked in, I'm just moving stuff around. We saw all these like slides and these boxes of slides and these boxes for slides. And she was like, this is cool. So we start looking around, and I see a couple of things like that I want. And I think she got 2 or 3 slide cases and a box of slides, which we had no idea what are on there. I hope they're good, girl. Don't know what's on them. So I saw a couple of slides that I liked, and I don't have no way to project slides, but I just thought these were pretty cool. So I picked them up. So I have to show you these first. So these are original photographs on Kodak negative film, Wonders of Italy, in the box. And that's what it looks like. And if you open it up, it's got all it's got most of the slides. To be fair, some of is there any empty ones? I thought there were. Maybe there's not. So if I just show you one just dropped out. So if I show you this, so they're all the slides of places to see in Italy. Like, let me see if I pull one out. So here's this. I'm not gonna be able to see it. I don't even know why I was showing you. Oh, maybe you can. Nope. So it's all these slides. So if you were going to visit Italy back in the day, back in the 60s when slides were a thing, you, instead of having to take all the photographs yourself and getting just the right photo, you would just go buy the slide from a tourist stop. So I thought they were pretty cool. Where'd the other side go? Okay, right there. So I thought these were pretty cool. And, you're not always going to get the best picture, because if you're not a photographer, you're just going to be, you have someone's head cut off. You have it'll be wonky. So people would buy these to bring home with them after their trip to Italy or wherever they went on holiday. So I thought these are pretty cool. There's no date on them anywhere. And the box has a little wear, but I don't know why I picked them up. I don't know if there's a resale value, but I couldn't leave these behind. I thought they were cool. So then the next thing, so I did get a couple of slides. And this is color slides of Princess Anne's wedding. Yes, it is. They come in this little box. I guess you could purchase these, and it tells you on the back what each slide is. And so it's got like HRH, the bride on her way to the Abbey, view of the sanctuary during the ceremony, the Archbishop of Canterbury blesses the marriage. So all these are on here. So again, another like bit of touristy fun for maybe those who wanted to relive Princess Anne's wedding on a slide projector. Well, they could do that. So you get that, and that's what it says on the back. Oh, they're really cool. View from the other side. Okay, well. So I got that. So then and I'll tell you the price in a minute, because he lotted them all together. So I picked what I wanted, she picked what she wanted, and he just gave us the price for all of them, and I'll tell you that in a minute. So she got 3 things, and I got 3 things. So, because I got the Italy slides, the wedding, Princess Anne's wedding, and color slides of the coronation, of the Queen's coronation. And again, on the back it says Queen's coach at Abbey, Canadian Mounties, coronation coach, Queen and coach after coronation. So again, they're little slides of the day that of the Queen's coronation, which I just thought were kind of cool. Look, how old is she now? I just think these are very fun collector's pieces. Again, you're just going to see my face in the background. And it says this wood manstern. Okay. So that's what it says. So it's got all the slides in here, and I just thought that was a bit of fun. It was just a day of me buying stuff for no other reason than I liked it. A plastic jar of marbles. Now, do any of them glow? No, because I checked. And the whole, oh, that's loud. The whole little plastic thing was 3 pounds. What will I do with vintage marbles? Unclear. I will not start the hobby of playing with them. But these, she said, some of them are very old, and you can tell because they're not quite. So, and they're like this solid color. Would she call them stone or no? They're not. Maybe they're stone, man of stone. I don't know. But they're all different colors. You've got some shooter marbles. You got the big like the big, huge shooter marbles. It's just plain white. And the older ones don't feel so round. Do you know what I mean? Like, and you've got glass ones with the string, the pulled string through them. Yeah, and there's just all kinds of. I had to find a good home, so there are all kinds of marbles. So what I might do, because look at that one, that's fun. So what I might do is parcel them out into colors. So all the greens, all the reds, all the blues, all the yellows go together. And then maybe put a shooter marble with them and call it a day. So the last thing I found, I was looking at this other day. And I had passed by this table before and had a look. And then I went back to look at it again. You know, we did like 2 passes around the tabletop sale. And I saw this. And all I saw was the handle sticking out. So all I saw was this. Like, it was like this, hidden up behind something. And so I'll pull it out and it's this. It's a witch, a naked witch, riding a broom. I mean, I was like, what? Both sides. And it's kind of like, so she's not painted. She's, doesn't have the blue on her, but everything else has this mottled blue on it. And it is Vulcanware, made in England. And it's called England Witch. Okay, let's see if I can. There you go. Now, as cool and as unusual as it is, you think, go look it up, it's going to be right there. Wrong. I did look it up. And all I could find was one like it. And I think maybe it's a custard jug. I have no idea what kind of jug this is. But I looked it up, and what I did find was these, but completely white. Like, this was no blue on it. It was just pure white. And when I clicked on, because it said it was on eBay, so I clicked on it, didn't come up, just said white pottery. Okay. And then there was a website that I looked up, and it was on this website. But it may have been on that website at one point, but it was no longer on that website. So I don't know anything about it. I know it's Vulcanware. I know it's made in England. I know it's from the 30s. But that's about it. So I asked a couple of people to help me. So I showed it to Patrick at Trusty Huckster Mercantile. He looked it up on WorthPoint. He couldn't find it. Showed it to Katie from Vintage and Vinyl. She looked it up. Found the same. They both found the same thing I found. Like the exact same search I found. Christina, Side Street Market. I asked her. Same thing, what I got. So I don't know much about it apart from its Vulcanware. Now I did find Vulcanware jugs. But I've seen, there's pictures of this, but when you click on it, there's no information about it. So I have no idea. I have no idea what it would sell for, what I should sell it for, the value, if it's that rare, that's why it's not showing up. I have no idea. So I'm going to have to hang on to it for a while, because I really don't know what the price is on it, what to do with it. If you know, please put in the comments. What the hell? What the hell? I can't find it nowhere, y'all. That's what I got at the tabletop sale. Now, afterward, we had to go to the pound store, and it's right next to Sue Ryder. So we popped in. Because, you know, it'd be rude not to. So I got a couple of things. So I'll just show you those real quick. I told you, it's a really quick haul. I mean, it really is. So the first thing I got was this. It's like this is tiled, and obviously it's a thermometer, and it says it is 62 degrees in my house. Well, that's pretty cold. I'm sure it works. I have no other reason. Yeah, it's probably about 62 in here because we don't have the heat on. That's why I'm wearing a sweater. So 65. So it's 65 in here. Fahrenheit. And it was 75p. Oh wait, I forgot to tell you the cost of this. Let me go back up. Let me back up. This was 50p. What? I meant to tell you that. I was waiting, but I still couldn't believe I couldn't find anything about it. 50p. I was like, how much is your little jug? She's like, 50p. I was like, hey, for 50p, even if it ain't worth much, it's just the coolest thing I've ever seen. So the next thing I got was, I didn't get much at the charity shop. I got this. Oh no, I didn't get that there. Okay. I got that somewhere else. I got these two. Little tiny, with the little violets on it. Little bitty tiny candlesticks. Now, there's no maker's mark on it, but look. They were 75p. Wow, for the pair. Oh no, they're 75p each. I was about to get happy and so they sold them as a pair. They did. So I'll show you. They've got the little gold trim, little gold accents on it, flowers. I mean, that's a tiny candle, but I think it's more for decorative. Yeah, it's not even deep enough for it. It's just like for decorative purposes. If you just want to decorate with them, I just thought they were cool. Oh, you could do that with them. There's no maker's mark on them at all. Again, something like this, these little things here, mystery box all day, every day. I think they're fun for a mystery box. They're in good condition. They're pretty. They're decorative. They're just small enough. So the last thing I got was, oh, this is so cute. This too was, I believe this was 70. I don't know how to choose tag. I think he was, no, I got one more thing. He was 75p as well. But look at him. His little earring holder. Shrunk up. Ma'am. Here we go. Hi, darling. Hi. Don't knock my camera down. So we have this little earring holder. He's in such good condition. So you could put your earrings on his ears and rings on his nose. And he's got no maker's mark at all on him. But again, 75p, a nice little, he's got to be cleaned up. He's a little dirty on his trunk. But another good mystery box item, right? I think it would be. Yeah. I loved it. So that's my haul, y'all. Told you it was quick. The only, and my favorite thing, how could it not be with the witch on it? I'm gonna just let y'all bask in that for a minute. Right. Today for Dolo Digs, I'm going to do a channel of somebody who's very, very knowledgeable about glass. Someone who has live sales, who does hauls, and she's always in the chats, and she's so wonderful. That's Becky with Vintage Viking Treasures. Now, y'all need to go check her out. She does a lot of good live sales. She's got some good stuff, y'all. Let me tell you what. She do got some good stuff. And she has hauls, and she is just so knowledgeable about glass. And I'm sure she wouldn't mind answering questions if you had them. But she's a fun channel. I love watching her. She's so informative. And I will have her channel come across here. And her videos come across here. And y'all go subscribe. Because I think you'll be glad you did. Because she's a wealth of knowledge. And her sales are fun. And her shop alongs are fun as well. So that's Becky with Vintage Viking Treasures. Y'all go follow her. It ain't gonna cost you nothing. It's free. And it's very good entertainment. So guys, that's all for today. I'm glad you stopped by. And you guys have a great day. And I'll see you soon. Bye.